There is so much to see at Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Let me share a few facts first. It was established in 1934 and it spans between two different states, Tennessee and North Carolina. It's huge as it spans over 500,000 acres, and I was astonished to know that it's the busiest national park in America. There's a lot more to take into account before visiting this amazing national park. You can take trips all around here, but we chose to visit in mid-April recently, and we spent 3 days at the Smoky. As many secondary roads were open, so we got to see a lot many places and wildlife during our visit. Timing plays a crucial role while planning a trip to Smoky Mountains. Now let's start the vlog, as I'm going to show you the best spots which are must visit if it is your first time to this beautiful national park.
की तैयारी हो चुकी है गाइस और बस अब पैकिंग भी हो गई है. लेट मी शो यू कि मैंने क्या क्या रखा है. सब ट्रैकिंग के लिए एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
Flight was at 10 p.m. so we started at 7 p.m. Our friends dropped us at the airport, and this time we had a flight from Sanford International Airport. This is the first time I'm taking flight from here. So boarding pass लेके हम निकल गए gates के लिए. अभी boarding start नहीं हुई थी, so we went to grab a sandwich at Nature's Table. We flew by Allegiant Airlines.
Change oxygen mask. Look, drop it from the panel up above you.
Quick review of the airlines. Seats were very spacious, but no meals. They gave us only the snack mix during our journey. Our flight landed at Knoxville at around 11:30 p.m. Flight land करते ही सबसे पहले we rushed to the Avis rental booth. So we rented a car online through Avis for a trip, and we had to go to Gatlinburg, which is 1 hour drive away from
बुक
Knoxville.
करी थी और हमारा ऑटोमेटिक अपग्रेड हो गया है एसयूवी में. मतलब आते ही कुछ हो रहा है.
किसने पकड़ ली?
फटाफट भाग के.
ओके सो वी जस्ट लैंडेड और यहाँ के ना जो ऑपरेशन आवर्स हैं वो मतलब लास्ट फ्लाइट तक वेट करते हैं 12 बजे तक. तो अगर 12 फिर लेट हो जाता तो फिर हमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम आती है और फिर हमें नियर बाय यहीं पे नॉक्सविल में होटल लेना पड़ता, क्योंकि अभी जो हमारा होटल है वो गेटलिनबर्ग में है.
रेंटल कैब सर्विसेज एयरपोर्ट में ही रहती है. इसके अलावा भी काफ़ी सारे रेंटल ऑप्शंस हैं यहाँ पे, लाइक हर्ट्स, बजट, अलामो. Now we took the car keys and went straight to the parking to pick a car. Oh yes, please check whether there is any dents or scratches on the rental car prior starting your journey. So I would advise to click pictures or videos for proof. So at around रात के 12:30 we started for Knoxville. On the way we stopped by a gas station to grab a coffee and to pick some water bottle snacks for the next day hike.
श्रेया, ट्रिप स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं हम अपनी.
ओके चलो फिर.
चलो लेके प्रभु का नाम. गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया
मंगल मूर्ति.
मोरया.
This is Pigeon Forge. Now I have already started getting the feels of the trip.
हम लोग पहुंच चुके हैं गेटलिनबर्ग और ये है हमारा होटल. दैट इज क्लैरन पॉइंट. तो हम स्मोकी माउंटेन्स के पास ही रुके हैं क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादा दूर नहीं रुकना था. हमें पार्क के पास ही रहना था ताकि हम इस जगह का, सिटी का वाइब फील कर पाएँ.
We reached the hotel at around 2:30 a.m.
सार्थक हाय. अच्छा है ना.
हाँ अच्छा है.
एंड दैट्स अ रूम. ये हमारा रूम है. कोजी, कॉम्पैक्ट. ओके दिस इज इट. गाइस मैं हो चुकी हूँ रेडी और अब हम जा रहे हैं हमारे डे 1 के लिए. पहले हम ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे. अभी 7 बज रहे हैं सुबह के.
This is our first day in Gatlinburg, and we can see a beautiful weather outside.
बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. इतनी अर्ली मॉर्निंग. थोड़ा सा ठंडा है. मैंने लेयर्स में कपड़े पहने हैं इसीलिए, क्योंकि हम लोग हाइकिंग करने वाले हैं. तो अगर हाइक करेंगे तो फिर गर्मी लगेगी, राइट. काफ़ी अच्छा है वेदर. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मतलब बहुत हिल स्टेशन वाइब दे रहा है यार. आई एम फ्रॉम उत्तराखंड, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं उत्तराखंड के किसी हिल स्टेशन में आ गई हूँ. अभी करेंटली जहाँ मैं रहती हूँ वहाँ पे ऐसा वेदर नहीं रहता, वहाँ पे थोड़ा गर्म है. इट्स अ चेंज फॉर अस. ऑल्सो हाँ, मैं ये बोल रही थी कि अब जो भी रहेगा मेरा ट्रिप का, आई शेयर ईच एंड एवरी थिंग विद यू. कहाँ मैं स्टे कर रही हूँ, क्या बजट रहेगा ट्रिप का, सो दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट एन आइडिया. और आप अगर अपनी ट्रिप प्लान कर रहे हो तो इट विल बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर यू एज वेल.
ये है अर्ली मॉर्निंग व्यू गेटलनबर्ग का. ये जो होटल है इसकी लोकेशन बहुत अच्छी है. इट्स वेरी क्लोज टू द डाउनटाउन, सो यू कैन टेक अ वॉक अराउंड. The breakfast was pretty decent, and I loved the Greek yogurt with almond and granola topping. It was truly amazing. On the way, we saw the cute city of Gatlinburg, and there are several unique wooden buildings in the downtown which adds to the natural beauty of the town. Now entering the Smoky Mountains National Park. This was our first stop. मतलब Smoky Mountains आए और यहाँ पिक्चर क्लिक नहीं कराई तो क्या किया, राइट? इसके बाद वी स्ट्रेट अवे विजिटेड द विजिटर सेंटर एज वी हैड टू बाय पार्किंग टैग. तो आपको यहाँ पे इजीली पार्किंग टैग मिल जाते हैं. यू नीड टू हैंग इट इन योर कार. इट कॉस्ट अराउंड $5 per day and $15 for whole week. We bought it for 3 days, but this is only for Smoky National Park. From here, I grabbed this route map of the national park. So here's the regional map where I'll mark the route and way to navigate our trip for you guys. The first stop was Lawrence Fall, as it is one of the most popular trail at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and it is just 15-minute drive from the Gatlinburg. But it is temporarily closed for all visitors till fall 2026 for some rehabilitation work. I'm enjoying the blissful drive thoroughly. River flowing by the road and lush green forest truly made it a wonderful experience. Our second stop was Spruce Flat Falls. You can park at Great Smoky Mountains Institute at Tremont, which is right near to the falls. Talking about the Spruce Flat Falls, this is the most beautiful waterfall we saw within the national park. It's 30 feet high waterfall and the hike is about 2 miles round trip. But let me tell you, it's not an easy hike. There are few steep sections along the trail and the way is rough, branchy and rocky. It was unique as a lot of people are not really aware of this fall. We spent a really good time at Spruce Falls. We sat, enjoyed, felt the flowing water, and more importantly, had peace. You're definitely going to find solitude on this trail. Now we entered the Cades Cove Loop, which is a 11-mile one-way loop road, and it's approximately 3-hour long scenic drive. You can expect a bunch of old homesteads, some churches, beautiful scenery along the way. It's probably one of the most popular and well-known historic area in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, but you need to give yourself time to experience as there's a lot to see and explore here. Do recommend stopping along the way and see the old cabins. So we stopped first at John Oliver Cabin. It was truly amazing, very scenic, beautiful and worth taking.
ये एक ट्रेल है, शॉर्ट ट्रेल, वुड्स में आप देख सकते हो. कुछ भी नहीं आसपास, सिर्फ जंगल है. तो जंगल के बीच में से ये सीनिक व्यू देखते हुए हम जा रहे हैं. सुबह 3 बजे पहुँचे थे यार हम अपने होटल. उसके बाद बस 2 घंटा सोए, फिर रेडी होके 7 o'clock ब्रेकफास्ट किया हमने एंड देन वी स्टार्टेड आवर डे 1. फिर सुबह से घूम रहे हैं हम. अभी 1 बज गए दिन के.
This is where Mr. Oliver used to live. The staircase goes up to his bedroom. I love the overall vibe of this place. The car traffic and congestion is real in the Cades Cove Loop, so you need to be wise in deciding the timing when to visit the loop because you might not get parking at various spots as well. So here's an information for you guys. The road to Cades Cove Loop is closed for cars on Wednesdays. So if you're interested to avoid congestion and want to explore it on a different dimension, then you can take a walk or a bicycle or even take horses to cover the loop. This is the Brahm Falls. It's 5 miles round trip, and I heard it's beautiful, but we didn't go to this one. If you wish and have time, you should definitely do this one. Then we saw Sugarland Visitor Center, several other cabins in the loop. The highlight of our day was we saw a baby bear in the forest within the loop, and everybody was stunned. He was playing, and our eyes were stuck on him. A forest ranger team was also there at the situation to control the traffic. They even had to buzz the horn to warn the bear so he can get aware and can run back to the jungle. Our next and last stop towards the end of the loop was the Singh. It was right near the main highway between the towns of Gatlinburg and Townsend. But the waterfall was truly mesmerizing, and it was very relaxing experience for us. We took lots of pictures. It was almost 3:30 and we were really hungry and tired, so I found one of the restaurants in the town which serves amazing food. After taking some rest, later in the evening we went to explore the downtown. It was lighted with the beautiful city lights and was looking fabulous. For dinner we went to a sports bar and grill. It's called Puckers, to grab some drinks and pizza. This was the end of our day 1. A lot more is coming in part 2, so stay tuned. Also, if you have any questions regarding planning the trip to Smoky Mountains that I might be of some help to you guys, then please comment down below. I'll answer your queries, and if you like the video then give a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.